Volleyball underhand serve is the basic serve where you hit the ball from below waist level. It's the easiest to learn and great for beginners because you get more control and consistency. And how to do it? 1. Stand facing the net with your non-dominant foot slightly in front. If you're right-handed, left foot forward. Number 2. Hold ball in your non-dominant hand out in front of your body at waist high. Keep your arm straight but not locked. Number 3. Make a first with your dominant hands or use a flat palm. Face give more power, palm gives more control. So next, volleyball overhand serve. It's the standard serve you see is most game. It's faster and harder to receive that underhand but take more coordination. When you get it, you can add power and aim. How to do it? Stand behind the service line with feet shoulder length apart. If your right hand, left foot slightly forward. Hold the ball in your non-dominant hand out in front of your hitting shoulder and just above head height. Number 3. Your hitting hand goes up behind your head with elbow high, like you're throwing a ball. Think bow and arrow shape. Jump serve in volleyball. It's the most aggressive serve. You toss, approach, jump, and hit the ball in the air like a spike. Tons of power and top spin, but also the hardest to control. 2 main types. Jump float serve. Uses a 2 or 3 step approach and a lower toss. You contact the ball with a stiff wrist, no spin, so it floats. Number 3. Easier to control that jump top spin but still has power from jump. Number 4. Go. Make the ball knuckles and move unpredictably. Number 2. Jump top spin serve. 3 or 4 step spike approach with a high toss. Hit the ball with heavy top spin by snapping your wrist over the top. Ball drop pass after crossing the net hardest serve to receive when it's in but highest error rate.